It's the Monday after Thanksgiving and I'm making a family favorite, my grandma's sage dressing, but with Matt's favorite cornbread. Stay tuned to see how it's done. So for our dressing we need some celery, add some onion, today I made some cornbread and I crumbled it up into kind of small crumbles. And I also got some roasted turkey, about 2 cups I'd say. We're gonna add our onions and our celery to our bowl. For my grandma's recipe, I need a teaspoon of sage. We also need 3 beaten eggs. My grandma used to make this recipe with white bread, and she had a family of 9 children, and I worked really hard once I was an adult to learn to make this recipe kind of like my grandma did, so that my dad would enjoy it at Thanksgiving. I am proud to say that I finally managed to do that, and we had it for several Thanksgivings before he passed away, and I was really thrilled to be able to do that. Matt says that he likes the recipe, but he likes it with cornbread. So 3 beaten eggs ready to go in my bowl here. And I love how it just seeps down in. And the recipe calls for dried bread. So cornbread's pretty dry to begin with. So I don't dry it out any, but the egg and milk mixture definitely help to get everything soppy again. So we've got 2 cups of milk, and then half to 1 cup of turkey broth. So I made some turkey broth earlier today. I'm gonna call that about half a cup. Now you gotta carefully mix this so that it doesn't break up the cornbread too much, and so it doesn't fly out of the bowl. My grandma says to mix and add milk until it's soft and moist. Well, I think I've got plenty of milk. And then she said salt and pepper to taste. Well, I'm going to wait till I add it to the pan for that. So here is our glazed stone pan. And I'm going to fill this up. And you'll see that you've got that milky custardy stuff. Oh, lost some. Shoot. Look at it. Okay. So you can see how it's kind of like a cornbread pudding, only very savory cornbread pudding. And then I'm going to salt and pepper now that we're done. And I'm going to mix that up too. Can't just have all the pepper on the top and all the salt on the top, right? Mix it in just a little bit. Okay, it's all set. Time to go in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. This one turned out just the way I expected, and Matt and I had a great dinner. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video.